300 bph automatic 5-gallon water filling machine / 5-gallon water bottling plant. Whole water bottle filling and packing line. 1. Automatic washing. 2. Automatic filling. 3. Automatic capping. 4. Water treatment plant. 5. Removing cap machine. 6. Inside and outside brushing machine. 7. Date and batch coating machine. 8. Sleeve shrink labeling machine. 9. PET bottle blowing system. 10. Compressor station. Cap removing machine. If your bottle is a recycling bottle and with a cap on it, this device can help you remove the cap from the bottle. Outside and inside brushing machine. Automatic barrel out brushing machine specially work with 5-gallon barreled water producing line. It is used for reducing the settling caused by the mineral water itself and some algae substances in the process of mineral water producing. The machine is made of excellent stainless steel with the advantage of easily rinsing and corrosion resistance. The main electrical elements adopt the products with brands of Siemens and OMRON. Pneumatic elements adopt the products with brand of AIRTAC. Filling machine. 1. Uploading and dropping barrels changed from 45° to translatory, which is more stable. 2. Nozzle can insert into 10 to 15 centimeters of the barrel in order to rinse little impurities down. Rinsing pump is separately controlled by different magnetic valves. Pump only work when there is barrel on that. It can avoid the mixture of different cleaning fluid. Capping system. 1. The liquid level difference is controlled in 1 centimeter. 2. The machine is equipped with cap sterilization system, which is 1.2 meters. The system make products more clean and safe by using sterilization and finish water. 3. Customers can choose to equip ABB/SO motor, Grundfos water pump, Festo pneumatic component. Automatic conveyor belt. The chain board on conveyor is made with stainless steel. The appearance of footstand is perfect, and the height can be adjusted. 1. This filling line specially produces 3 and 5 gallons barrel drinking water. 2. This series barrel filling production line integrates bottle washer, filler and sealer into one unit. 3. In order to achieve the purpose of washing and sterilizing, bottle washer adopts multiple liquid injections washing and disinfectant spray, and washing solution can be used circularly. The sealer can seal bottle caps automatically. 4. This filling line equips with water spraying device to sterilize caps of bottles in order to ensure those caps are aseptic and healthy. 5. This line also can automatically carry out bottle washing, sterilizing, filling, capping, counting and products discharging. 6. It has features of complete functional, novel design, and high degree of automation. It is a new kind of barrel water auto-producing line, which integrates mechanism, electricity and pneumatics technologies together. For anything interest you, please feel free to contact us by